Hi, welcome back to another dose of bite-sized bits of knowledge where we give you meaningful information in a short amount of time. Transfers is a huge concept. We're going to break it up in a lot of videos, and we're going to break up some of the concepts into a lot of videos. So for example, today we're going to talk about involuntary transfers, and we're going to break it up into pieces. So big picture, involuntary transfers is a concept of where you're forcing someone to transfer the shares in the event of certain conditions. So high level, for example, we're talking about bankruptcy, divorce, death, disability, termination of employment, or just what's called dissociation or abandonment. All these situations are bad, and all these situations leave your business in a very vulnerable position. And so you want to have it, thought through and have it planned, so that when it happens, you just look at the agreement and say, here's what we agreed, here's what's going to happen. And there's no conflict, you're limiting conflict. All of what we're trying to teach you here is in large part to try to limit chaos, court cost, and conflict. So in today's video, we're going to jump in to bankruptcy. So bankruptcy is a really interesting animal. There's lawyers that only focus on bankruptcy. That's all they do. And so if you find yourself in a business with a partner who's now filed for one variation of the many different kinds of bankruptcies or assignments, for the benefit of creditors, you don't want to have a situation where your shares or your company is now in business with a creditor of a partner. This creditor may not be qualified, they may be disinterested, they may be not a good fit for the business, you may not like them, they may not like you, they may not fit into the culture. There's a lot of reasons why this is a very bad situation. Especially, I would say the creditor just wants their money. They just want their money, they just want to get paid. They're going to do whatever they can to get paid. They're going to be annoying, they're going to maybe try to sell their shares in a voluntary transfer. So you got to think about it. So bankruptcy is bad. You don't want to be in business with a creditor of a partner. And so this is an example of what would trigger the partner subject to a bankruptcy to have to sell their shares back to the partners that are already in existence. Those existing partners will buy them out. The mechanics, again, in a different video. The concept is the same. The next thing we're going to talk about is divorce as another trigger for involuntary transfers. So don't forget to download the free materials in the description. One is a business planning stress test. Another is a formation chart. And there might be some other things in there that might be of help to you as well. So thank you for stopping by, and stay tuned for more.